Imagine a world turned upside down. The unthinkable has happened, a global apocalypse. Survival is paramount, and that starts with shelter. Here's how to build an emergency shelter in such a scenario. First, location is key. Choose a spot away from hazards like falling rocks or rising water. Next, gather materials. Fallen branches, leaves, and even snow can serve as building blocks. Now, the construction. Lean your longest branch against a tree or rock. This is your central support. Arrange shorter branches along the length of your support, creating a ribbed frame. Fill in the gaps. Pile leaves, grass, or snow against your frame. The thicker the better, as it helps insulate against the cold. Finally, the entrance. Always face it away from the prevailing wind and keep it small to maintain warmth. Remember, a well-built shelter can mean the difference between life and death. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Apocalyptic Live and hit that like button. Stay safe, stay prepared.